Look for. To search for someone or something. To search for someone or something. I am looking for my key. I am looking for my key. He is looking for a new job. He is looking for a new job. Look after. To take care of someone or something. To take care of someone or something. I have to look after my sister. I have to look after my sister. You must look after your health. You must look after your health. Look up. To search for information. To search for information. I'll look up his number. I'll look up his number. She looked up the train times. She looked up the train times. Look into. To investigate or examine a situation. To investigate or examine a situation. We must look into this problem. We must look into this problem. The police will look into the crime. The police will look into the crime. Look out. To be careful or vigilant. To be careful or vigilant. Look out. A car is coming. Look out. A car is coming. Look out when you cross the street. Look out when you cross the street. Look forward to. To anticipate something with pleasure. To anticipate something with pleasure. I look forward to the party. I look forward to the party. She looks forward to vacation. She looks forward to vacation. Look down on. To consider someone as inferior. To consider someone as inferior. Don't look down on anyone. Don't look down on anyone. She looks down on people with less money. She looks down on people with less money. Look up to. To respect and admire someone. To respect and admire someone. He's a great role model to look up to. He's a great role model to look up to. The players look up to their captain. The players look up to their captain. Look over. To examine something quickly. To examine something quickly. She looked over her notes. She looked over her notes. The boss looked over the report. The boss looked over the report. Look through. To read or examine something. To read or examine something. He looked through the newspaper. He looked through the newspaper. I'll look through the files for you. I'll look through the files for you. Look back. To think about something in the past. To think about something in the past. He often looks back on his youth. He often looks back on his youth. We will look back and laugh. We will look back and laugh. Look ahead. To think about and plan the future. To think about and plan the future. Look ahead to your goals. Look ahead to your goals. We must look ahead and prepare. We must look ahead and prepare.
Thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe for more such amazing videos like this.